Hello, tiger friends. Today's reading is called Are Pirates Polite? And we're going to read about pirates and how they can be polite. Arrgh. Pirates are usually unruly, and pirates love to fight. But pirates still say please and thanks, 'cause pirates are polite. Pirates shout outside on deck while counting pirate gold, but use their inside voices when they're meeting in the hold. Pirates plunder lots of ships, but don't forget their duty. They always call out, "Thank you," for all their stolen booty. There's his parrot. Sharing is what pirates do when they find any treasure. To make sure shares are equal, their parrots help them measure. Parrots can't be stopped from parroting and squawking. But pirates never interrupt when another pirate's talking. Pirates like their privacy when doing something private, so they knock on doors and don't barge in on any other pirate. Pirates think you're weird if you've washed your face or hair, but they always show respect, and they never point or stare. While pirates are in battle, to push ahead is fine. But when it's time to board the ship, pirates wait in line. When pirates dine at dinner, they're never ever rude. Even scallywags keep their mouths shut while they chew their food. When pirates feast on chowder, they try hard not to slurp. And they always say, "Excuse me," every time they burp. If a pirate bumps another, "I'm sorry," he will say, instead of "You rapscallion, get out of my way." Pirates love to duel with swordplay of all sorts. But at the end they say, "Good fight," 'cause pirates are good sports. Pirate manners. Say please. Use your inside voice. Say thank you. Share. Don't interrupt. Knock before you enter. Show respect. Wait in line. Eat with your mouth shut. Say excuse me. Say I'm sorry. Be a good sport. And that's the end of my pirate book. Arrgh.